Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file quarterly income tax return online. We'll start by clarifying who needs to pay estimated taxes and introduce the essential IRS Form 1040-ES. Then, I'll guide you through the various convenient online payment methods available, making the entire process straightforward and stress-free for you. This easy guide will help you stay compliant. Calculating your estimated tax involves a few key steps. First, project your total income for the entire year, including all sources. Next, subtract any expected deductions and credits to arrive at your estimated taxable income. Finally, divide your total annual tax liability into 4 equal payments, ensuring you meet the quarterly deadlines. The IRS offers several convenient online options for paying your quarterly taxes. You can use IRS Direct Pay for free bank account transfers, which is a simple and secure method. Alternatively, you can pay via credit or debit card through approved third-party processors, though a small fee may apply. The Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, is another reliable choice. Remember, staying on top of your quarterly tax deadlines is crucial to avoid penalties. If your income changes significantly throughout the year, don't hesitate to adjust your payments accordingly to prevent underpayment. For more financial wisdom, check out the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. It's a great resource for managing your finances effectively and planning for your future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.